Are you ready to turn your daily Google searches into a treasure hunt for cash? Well, you're in luck because today, we've got 6 exciting ways to make money online just by doing what you already do, searching Google. Let's get started. Number 1. Swagbucks surveys. First up, Swagbucks. It's like your trusty sidekick when it comes to earning cash online. Just sign up, and you'll be rewarded with points, or Swagbucks, for performing various online activities, including surfing the web with the Swagbucks search engine. Collect those Swagbucks and redeem them for real cash or gift cards. Talk about easy money, right? Swagbucks has paid out over $450 million in rewards to its users since its inception. That's right, people have earned a small fortune just by participating in surveys, searching the web, and performing various online tasks. Number 2. QMe. Ever wished you could get paid for clicking links? Well, with QMe, you can. Simply install their browser extension, and it'll display sponsored results alongside your regular Google searches. Click on these sponsored results, and you'll earn cash rewards instantly. It's a no-brainer way to make some extra dough while surfing the web. QMe has partnered with major brands like Walmart, eBay, and Amazon to provide its users with sponsored results. This means you can earn money by clicking on links from these trusted retailers. It's a unique and straightforward way to make money while shopping. Number 3. Nielsen Computer and Mobile Pal. Now, here's a unique one for you, the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Pal. This program tracks your online behavior, helping companies understand user trends. By participating, you not only contribute to valuable research, but also earn rewards like gift cards and sweepstakes entries. It's a win-win situation. This program helps shape the digital landscape by gathering insights into internet usage. By being a part of it, you contribute to influencing how websites and apps are designed, making a difference in the online world while earning rewards. Number 4. Honey Gold. Have a sweet tooth for savings? Meet Honey Gold. It's a browser extension that helps you find the best deals while shopping online. But here's the juicy part, it rewards you with Honey Gold points for your purchases. These points can be converted into gift cards, and voila, you're earning money with every shopping spree. Honey Gold users have collectively saved over $2 billion through this browser extension. So not only are you earning cashback rewards, but you're also making smart shopping decisions and saving big bucks in the process. Number 5. User testing. Do you have strong opinions and a knack for providing feedback? User testing lets you get paid for your thoughts. Sign up as a tester, and you'll be tasked with testing websites and apps. Share your feedback through video or written reviews and get paid up to $60 per test. It's an awesome way to turn your insights into cold, hard cash. Major companies like Airten, Microsoft, and Walmart use user testing to improve their websites and apps. When you participate, you're not just earning money, you're actively helping shape the user experience of some of the world's most popular platforms. Number 6. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Last but certainly not least, we have Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as Turk. This platform offers a wide variety of microtasks that can be completed for cash. From data entry to surveys and content moderation, there's something for everyone. You choose when and how much you work, making it a flexible way to earn money online. Turk offers a staggering number of tasks, with over 500,000 active workers on the platform. It's a bustling online marketplace where businesses of all sizes seek assistance for tasks that range from simple data entry to complex research, making it a hub of online work opportunities. Number 7. Inbox Dollars. Who doesn't love a bit of extra cash in their inbox? With Inbox Dollars, you can earn money by searching through their engine, taking surveys, watching videos, and more. It's like a treasure chest of opportunities right at your fingertips. Plus, they offer a $5 sign-up bonus just for joining. Imagine getting paid while you sip your morning coffee and check your inbox. With Inbox Dollars, that dream becomes a reality. Not only can you earn money through web searches, but you can also rack up cash by taking surveys, watching entertaining videos, and even playing games. It's like turning your spare moments into a mini treasure hunt for dollars. Number 8. Mobile Expression. Hey, smartphone users, this one's for you. Mobile Expression pays you just for having their app installed on your device. Ever thought your phone could be making you money without you even noticing? Mobile Expression does just that. By simply installing their app, you become a member of an exclusive club that earns rewards just for having the app running. It's like having a silent money-making companion in your pocket. You continue Googling, texting, and scrolling while Mobile Expression works its magic behind the scenes, turning your mobile moments into gift cards and cash. It's the definition of effortless earning in the digital age. It's like going on a treasure hunt every day, right from the comfort of your own home. So, which method are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things money-making and tech-related.